Check out this Phantom wallet. It's stacked with gains from launching meme coins. And no, this isn't luck. I've done this over and over again. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how I pulled in over $1.7 million just from launching these coins. I used to think the only way to win with crypto was trading meme coins, chasing charts, and hoping for a moonshot. But every single time I bought in a coin, someone else was already dumping. That's when I realized the real winners aren't traders, they're creators. When you launch a coin, you control the entire supply, the timing, and the whole entire narrative. You are not riding someone else's wave, you are making your own. No more hoping, just building, launching, and then cashing out every single time. If you are serious about winning in this space, this is where you start. You can make generational wealth. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to launch your very first Solana meme coin and print generational wealth. Now this video is strictly for educational purposes only. Nothing you see here is financial advice, and it's all a AI generated demonstration. Yeah! Let's be real, Pump.Fun is overcrowded. Hundreds of coins launch every hour and most of them gets buried before anyone even sees them. It's like shouting into a void hoping someone hears you. But with Tokens.Fun though, your coin goes live on Raydium instantly. That means more visibility, more volume, and real buyers jumping in early. You're not wasting any time to graduate. Your coin is tradable the moment you click launch, and if you want speed, exposure, and actual volume, Tokens.Fun is the play. Now, you've got two solid ways to launch a coin on Tokens.Fun. First option, build it manually. Pick a name, something catchy or meme-worthy, then your token symbol, just a few bold letters, and then upload a 128 by 128 image and you're set. But here's the trick, pick your narrative smart. Check Twitter, trending memes, even breaking news, politics, pop culture, anything viral will work. That's what gives your coin momentum. Now option 2, that's the method that's been printing me a shit ton of cash. Go to the copy trending coins tab and it's loaded with filtered coins straight from Pump.Fun. These aren't random, they're already working, already trending, and all you do is you click copy, launch it onto Raydium, and you're instantly in front of thousands of buyers. There's high built in, and that's what drives volume fast. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's launch a coin and make some bread. So I'm gonna refresh this first just to see what's up. Okay. The Poke coin just caught my attention. Why? It has a $21,000 market cap, which means that it's brand new and it's getting volume, and it has a last buy 3 seconds ago. So I'm gonna click on create coin. Your phantom should pop up. Oh, I gotta go inside of it. And yes, you will get a warning. It is completely normal, just phantom, okay? Proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. And then the coin should be minted and copied. We're gonna wait a few seconds. Boom! And if I go on SoScan, you can see that it's officially live on the blockchain. It's completely legit. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is made specifically to make your coin tradable on the blockchain, specifically on the Raydium DEX. Now here's like your coin, it should be already selected alongside your balance too. Amount token A, click on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens into the pool. You can really put anything you want here, but I would highly recommend to put 900 million. Amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin. It is required and you will be the first buyer inside your coin. So you're not losing this money. I'm going to put 0.4 SOL. You can really put anything you want. Just make sure it's above like 0.2, 0.3 SOL. Make sure you have enough and then click on create pool. And yes, you will get this money back. And after that, click on confirm. After that, simply refresh. And if you scroll down, you can see that the coin is officially live on the Raydium pool, which is called Poke. And as you guys can see on the profit section, we are up $1.30. But if you click on refresh, Now we're up $120, so the coin is going up at the moment by the second. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Oh, we have to wait a bit. Okay, the coin is live. Yeah, we're up $6, $12. Buyers are coming in. Okay, now the chart loaded up. Yeah, now we got $6, $20. Okay, there is so much volume coming in. I'm gonna go on full screen real quick to show you guys the chart. Okay, we're getting a bunch of buyers in. We're at a $1.6 thousand market cap, $1,000 in liquidity, $600 in volume. And by the way, this is all legit, okay? These are all real buyers, okay? I do not own any of these wallets. You can look them up. Come on, go higher. It's gonna go higher, it's gonna go higher, it's gonna go higher. I still believe in the coin, I still believe. Come on. Okay, we made a comeback. We're at a $1.7 thousand market cap, as you guys can see. Okay guys, I'm back. We're at a $2.1 thousand market cap within like, I would say 5 minutes, which is not bad. To check profits though, come back to createtokens.fun, and then if we click on refresh, you can see that we're up $1.6 thousand with a, oh my god, it's pumping so hard, with a $3.3 thousand market cap, so it's pumping so much. I'm gonna give this coin around 5 minutes. We're gonna be right back, and we're gonna take some profits out. Okay guys, I am back. Now we're at a $5.7 thousand market cap. I think it is enough. Now it's time to take out some profits because bro, it has been around like 15 minutes and I'm bored. So to take out profits, come back to createtokens.fun. Oh yeah, and first of all, we are gonna refresh. So boom. Okay, now we're up $2.6 thousand in profits with a $5.6 thousand market cap. Now, to take out profits, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm gonna do 50% because I don't want to remove the complete liquidity. I just want to do half of it, and then click on remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 8.4 SOL around there. Now click on confirm. And boom, we just did it. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, we should, yes sir, I have 11 SOL in my wallet. Yo, 1.8 bands, bro.